I love a quick and easy meal prep that is full of protein, and with 40 grams of protein and only 360 calories, these Cajun chicken and sausage bowls are just that. You're going to start by placing 2 tablespoons of uncooked rice into each container. I like to use minute rice because I feel like it cooks really well in the oven. And then you're going to add 1/4 cup of bone broth to each container. Bone broth is a great way to get some added protein to this meal. And then you're also going to add 1/4 cup of fire roasted diced tomatoes. You can use any brand you want. I use the Trader Joe's brand. And then you're going to add a teaspoon of Cajun seasoning to each container. Stir it up really well. I like to do this before I add the raw chicken into it because that way I can taste it and adjust the seasoning as needed. And then you're going to add your vegetables of choice. I chose yellow bell peppers and red onions. I did about 1/4 cup of each one in each container. Now, of course, we have to add our protein. I found these chicken sausage links at Trader Joe's and I cut up 2 of them and divided them evenly amongst the 2 containers. Try to find chicken sausage links that are around 160 calories and have 16 grams of protein. I also cut up a pound of chicken in bite-sized pieces and I divided that evenly amongst the containers. I mixed it up really well, and then of course I topped it with my favorite seasonings, onion powder, garlic powder, and then I added a little bit more of that Cajun seasoning on top. Put them in a preheated oven for 45 minutes, stirring halfway in between. When they were almost done, I took them out and I actually topped each of them with 2 tablespoons of cheese because why not? Cheese is life. It makes everything better and it adds extra protein. They came out so good. You guys gotta let me know if you tried them.